Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keeps vibrating in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off notification alerts. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on notifications. Click on app notifications. Now here you will see select app that you want to turn off notification alerts. After selecting, turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off notification alert from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device setting. Again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.